am Raghuvansh and Sankar Kumar.
We are from Computer Science Engineering Department, Srimati Kamala and Shri Venkappa M. Agri College of Engineering and Technology, Lakshmeshwar. Today we are going to discuss about harmony from family to world family and divided society. This slide introduces the core idea harmony from the family level to the global level. It highlights how love, trust and respect in the families form the foundation for a united society. Real life examples. Think about a family where members trust each other. For example, in a household where parents listen to children and children feel safe sharing problems, there is a peace. The child grows up respecting others, and when they go to school or college, they treat friends and teachers with a kindness. This small family-based values stay to reflect in large circles like in school, colleges and communities. Just like a seed becomes a tree, harmonious family helps build a healthy society. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The whole world is one family. This idea teaches us to treat even strangers with the same respect and care as we do our own family.
Harmony means a state of peace, love, and understanding among peoples. It is not just the absence of conflicts, but the presence of mutual respect, compassion, and cooperation. When we say harmony starts inside us, means we must first learn to control our anger, ego, and jealousy. If our thoughts are peaceful, our words and actions will also be kind. Only then we create harmony around us. In the family, harmony means listening to each other, sharing responsibilities and caring for each member. A peaceful home builds strong relationships. In the society, harmony means respecting all people regardless of religion, caste, language or status. It encourages helping others, solving problems together and living without discrimination. In the world, harmony leads to peace between countries, environmental peace and unity among nations. It helps in fighting global issues like poverty, eliminate change and war. Harmony is the key to a happy life. It begins in the heart of each individual and spreads outwards like ripples in water, making the whole world a better place.
Family is not just important, but the very foundation of our life. From the moment we open our eyes in this world, it is our family that welcomes us with love and joy. It is within the four walls that we take our first steps, speak our first words, and learn our first lessons. Speak not from the book, but from the life. In family, we trust each other, we respect each other, we care for each other, we feel safe. A harmonious family builds a united society. When every family lives with trust, respect and care, we move one step closer to the world where humanity thrives in peace and unity. Let harmony begin at home and echo across the world.
Values in a family, there are five values. First, trust. respect, affection, care and guidance. So trust means believing that our family members truly care for us. When we trust each other, we feel safe and supported. So next comes the respect. Respect is understanding and acceptance of each other so that thoughts and feelings would be shared. It helps us to avoid misunderstandings between us. Next comes the affection. Affection is how we show love to our family through using like kind words and hugs, etc. It makes our family relationship warm and strong. Next comes the care. Caring means helping each other when they are in need, especially when someone is sick or facing problems. By helping them, it shows that we are there for each other. Next, fifth one, guidance. Parents teach or guide children, which is right. Values in a family. There are 5 values. First, trust, respect, affection, care, and guidance.
This slide shows how harmony spreads step by step from family to neighborhood, neighborhood to society, society to nation. Real life examples. Imagine a neighborhood where families greet each other, help during emergencies, and respect rules like noise limits. If one family starts this behavior, others are inspired. For instance, during COVID-19, many families helped each other with the groceries and medicine. That was real harmony in action, spreading from inside the home to the entire society. A healthy family or ordered society is a family where people help each other, respect one another, do not fight or cheat, understand each other's needs.
Undivided society is one where everyone lives in a harmony without any partiality or division based on wealth, religion, nationality or language. In such a society, there is no difference between rich and poor, there is no fight between religion, no fight between countries, there is no room for hatred. Everyone lives like one big family. We care for each other even if we don't speak the same language or comes from the same background. Sarve bhavantu sukhinam, sarve santu niramayam, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschit dukkha bhagavate. It means may all be happy, may all be free from illness, may all see what is auspicious, may no one suffer. Undivided society is one.
Have you ever heard the saying Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam? It means the whole world is one big family. This ancient Indian wisdom reminds us that no matter where we came from, no matter the language we speak, no matter the color of our skin or the borders we live within, we all want the same thing: happiness, peace, love, and respect. So why should we fight? Why should we hate? If we truly start seeing everyone as a part of one global family, we can stop war and violence and hatred and division, share our resources with empathy, solve global problems together. When we expand the love we learn in our home to the people of the world, we move from a peaceful family to a peaceful planet.
How can we bring harmony? First step is start with ourselves. First step begins with us. We should be kind, honest, and helpful in everything we do. Everything we do. When we improve ourselves, we can inspire others. Next is spread love in our family. In our home, we should learn to say sorry and forgive others, and always respect elders. By these actions help build strong and warm relationship with our family. Next, be helpful in society. Outside our home, we can bring harmony by being good neighbors, following rules and not hurting others. Every small good deed helps create a better community. Next comes the think of the world as one. We should understand and accept the people from other cultures and from other countries. We must support world peace and also protect our nature. We must
This slide lists the positive outcomes when a society is undivided and harmonious. The people live without fear. In a well-connected communities like gated societies, people know each other and report anything suspicious. This builds safety. Peace in homes, schools. School that teaches kindness show reduce bullying cases. Streets with the active citizen groups have fewer crimes. Everyone has enough to eat. In many places, people run community fridges where anyone can leave or take food, like the Dabbawala system in the Mumbai, helping to feed the poor. Others are children go to school, nature is clean and safe, fewer fights and more friendship. One such best example is people celebrating Diwali, Eid together in a community.
Yesterday, the two chairs, family reason, family harmony. A teenage boy and his father had daily arguments. So the mother suggested a simple habit for both of them. Sit together on two chairs and talk calmly every evening for 10 minutes. Over time, trust and understanding grew. The home became more peaceful. So by this, small efforts like listening can build harmony in families. Case study 2. No neighbor left hungry. From family to society during the COVID-19 lockdown in the Maharashtra town, a housing society started cooking extra meals for needy workers. Nearby, volunteers come and get collected and distributed food daily to over 50 families. By this, when care extends beyond families, society becomes united and strong.
Our families are our first teachers. They show us love and kindness. We learn to trust and care for each other. Sharing becomes second nature. These values are the building blocks of our lives. They shape who we are and how we see the world. Imagine a child learning to ride a bike. Family cheers them on. They fall, and family picks them up. Each attempt builds confidence. Each success is celebrated. This support within a family gives us strength. It helps us face challenges with courage. Families teach us about responsibility too. We learn to think of others. We do chores to help out. We consider the needs of our siblings and parents. These small acts of kindness prepare us for a bigger world. Like a seed growing into a tree, our values take root in our families. They branch out as we grow older. These values guide us as we step outside the comfort of our homes. We carry the lessons of love, trust, and responsibility into the wider world. As we leave our homes, we enter a larger classroom society. Here we meet people from different backgrounds. We learn about different cultures and beliefs. This diversity enriches our lives. The values we learned at home guide our interactions. We approach others with kindness and respect. We value honesty and fairness. We build friendships based on trust and understanding. Just as a single thread contributes to a beautiful tapestry, each act of kindness matters. When we treat each other with respect, we create a harmonious society. We build a community where everyone feels valued and respected. This sense of community extends beyond our immediate surroundings. It grows to encompass our entire nation. We learn to appreciate the shared values that bind us together as citizens. A nation thrives when its people are united. It's like a forest. Every tree, every plant is important. We all play a role in making our nation strong. We celebrate our shared history and culture. We respect the sacrifices of those who came before us. We work together to overcome challenges and build a better future for all. Empathy is crucial for national unity. We must understand and care for those who are different from us. We should lend a helping hand to those in need. We must strive to create a society where everyone has the opportunity to succeed. National unity doesn't mean we are all the same. It means we embrace our differences while working towards common goals. It means standing together in times of joy and sorrow. Just as our families and nations shape us, we have a responsibility to the world. We are all part of one global family, sharing this planet we call home. Imagine a world where everyone is treated with kindness and respect, where differences are celebrated and conflicts are resolved peacefully. This is the world we must strive to create. Global cooperation is essential. We must work together to address challenges like climate change and poverty. We must promote education and understanding across borders. Let's embrace the world with open hearts and minds. Let's learn from each other and celebrate our shared humanity. Let's build a future where peace and sustainability reign supreme. Remember, we are all connected. What we do today will impact generations to come. Let's create a legacy of love, compassion, and harmony for our global family.
Japan's earthquake response, spirit of world family. After the 2011 tsunami in Japan, people remained peaceful, queued patiently for supplies and helped one another. Children encouraged elders with messages like "Stay strong." By these pillars, respect, patience, and care create unity, even in global crisis.
Echoes of Harmony. On 11th March 2011, Japan was struck by one of the most powerful earthquakes in history. It unleashed a tsunami that devastated lives, cities, and families. A moment forever etched in our collective memory. In the aftermath, there was silence. Grief and loss echoed through the ruins. Yet in this silence, something profound began to emerge. A testament to the resilience of the human spirit. From the smallest acts of kindness to heroic gestures, people came together. Strangers became family. Communities became one. Compassion grew stronger than the catastrophe. The world watched and acted. Aid came from across oceans. Hands joined across borders. Japan's pain became the world's pain. Its healing, the world's mission. Through shared grief, Japan taught the world that harmony is not the absence of disaster, but the courage to care. Harmony begins in a family and grows to embrace the world. A lesson for us all. Let the harmony that begins at home ripple out into the world. One family, one humanity, one earth. May we always remember the power of compassion and unity.
Search and rescue teams from around the world are being dispatched after an overwhelmed Japanese government asked for foreign assistance. Dozens of countries have responded. American, German, Swiss, Hungarian and Taiwanese squads, all fully equipped with the latest technology and sniffer dogs, are already on hand to help with the daunting task. Although it's feared thousands may have perished in the quake and the ensuing tsunami, the rescue teams are still hopeful of finding people alive beneath the rubble and debris. While they're all specially trained in dealing with the aftermath of disasters, many of the personnel are volunteers. France is also sending 100 members of a civil security unit. Before they left, they explained what equipment they were taking with them. We're leaving with cutting gear and listening machines. We're also leaving with equipment necessary to protect ourselves from radiation and potential contamination. So far, around 1,000 foreign rescuers are helping the 100,000 soldiers deployed by the Japanese government on its stricken northeast coast.
Harmony begins with you. When you are kind, your family feels it. When a loving family builds a strong society, a just society leads to a united world. When world lives in a peace, we truly become one global family. Ekam satya vifraha bahuda vadanti. It means All the core, all the paths of a different religions leads to the same truth, love, unity and peace. So let us be the spark, let us our home glow with harmony, let our hearts open to humanity and let the world become one big family. So thank you for listening. Harmony